Nangelo kuna ati Minister wa Murimi MITHIKA LINTURI ripoti ya Mombasa nethirite akiamukira tani milioni mana 30 kana tani 30 na inyana mana na cha fertilizer ira ni utethio kuma kinduguru ya Russia. LINTURI ariuga bo bukaithira boitethera kianene ukiri urimi arawite kinya thirikari Kenya Kwanza nikirite wirane botirete uteani arimi indi ni ubawatamburu kenda ukira kinya nkuruki. Ndiguru ya Kenya nigunikite na MBOLEO TAANI kathumba cha fertilizer kuma ndigurune ya Russia. MBOLEO hii ni kwirigirwo ni ndi kwithira kiguna aribi baimira mwanya ndigurune. Kiariarira kwamukirite fertilizer Minister wa Murimi MITHIKA LINTURI na kathite ndiguru kumania na utethio bwa mwanya.
To take this opportunity to on my behalf and on behalf of the government of Kenya to thank you and the government of Russia for finding it necessary to give us support in form of fertilizer, and that 4,000 metric tons received by me here in Mombasa is a great step towards addressing the cost of production in this country.
Wito tethio bukani ya muno murio kiri arimi na kinyamaguri ya irio ya kedra ya kina mabukatha.
Donation of that 4,000 metric tons from Eurochem company from Russia goes a long way in subsidizing or bringing down the cost of our fertilizer in the country and the cost of producing food which we highly need.
LINTURI netete na mbere na kuwa fertilizer inendi ikathithwa kana ikathiwa ringi kenda kuona fertilizer mithemba mwanya ire kethira ikinyitha kwa kiri arimi.
That the 4,000 metric tons that we have received today will be used as raw material to do blending so that we are able to produce greater quantities of now and different forms of fertilizer. That now that we want to do urea, because you know the short rains are also coming.
Netete na mbere na kwikira arimi wirane akiwa thirikari ya Rais William Samoei Ruto nithirite ninde kibangana kyake ndotira ni gukiria murimi na bageta na mbere na kwaya na motethio mwanya.
I still want to plead with our farmers, the good people of Kenya, that have found it necessary to get back to the farms to produce food, that the government of William Samoei Ruto will not tire giving farmers the support that is required. That is why you find that we are getting support from those people that really care about our well-being.
Akiaria nwe mubalothi wa nthiguru ya Russia Kenya nwe Dmitry Makshev awite MBOLEO hii ikethira kiano theri kendo tethia arimi.
Today is a great day because we assist at the receiving of the Russian fertilizers to Kenya that are being provided free of charge on humanitarian grounds in collaboration with the UN WFP.
Niaraugite ni geriria yao rioteithia Kenya na kinya kurana mpara iraonekete kuringithia baingi.
I believe that it is a major effort to address the issue of hunger and malnutrition because it makes the Kenyan agriculture more resilient in the current economic turmoil, and we hope that it will improve the lot of the Kenyan farmers and also contribute to the achievement of sustainable development by our friendly Kenya.